So we got another early Yeezy to look at here on the channel, guys. Welcome, my name is John Alexander, and in today's video we will be unboxing, yes, the latest release from Adidas. It's the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the orange colorway. So guys, stay tuned for today's video. It's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be unboxing my most hyped Yeezy release of last month. So these joints, as y'all know, will be releasing in-store only. So they're dropping this Saturday, February 28th in Los Angeles. There's a full list of stores available, so check out Yeezy Influence online. Oh, my bad. Wrong joints. But yeah, I did get the quantums in my size. Let me just make sure everything is legit. So I picked these up in a size 11. I normally wear like a 10.5, 11, so since these don't come in half sizes, I went ahead and went with the size 11 in these joints. So let me know if any of y'all picked these up. You know, I had to pay resale for these joints. Wasn't able to make it out the All-Star weekend this year, so had to pay resale for these joints. Now this gotta be it right here. So not only are these dropping in LA, they will see a release in France in-store only, and as well as Shanghai. But I believe the Shanghai pair has been delayed a little bit. So y'all over there, everybody stay tight. There we go. So y'all see it. So the colorway is just orange, orange, orange. I picked these up in a size 11. Last pair of the Mnvns I picked up in a 10.5, which I usually wear in 700s, but they seem to be a little tight. So this time around, I made sure to pick up a size 11. So let's check them out together. The box is kind of small. Woo! Yes, sir. Fire. Yeah, these are it right here. And these don't really, this box don't got the Yeezy font. But yeah, here we go, y'all. See them right here on the channel. Drop your thoughts down below. Let me know y'all first impression of these new 700 Mnvn joints. So we got a first-hand look at the new Yeezy 700 Mnvn here on the channel. So if y'all are new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So just a couple of details here on the shoe. Of course, the bottom is your standard 700 sole that we're used to seeing. It has the white exposed boost, and you got some little hints of 3M on the drip area here. Now the major difference with this new model is the nylon upper, which you see is a nice orange tangerine color. And you got this nice 700 slapped right across, which is also in 3M. And you got a couple little hits right here, and a different kind of tone of orange right here. So of course these do have the new lacing system, which doesn't require for you to tie your shoes. And what's interesting about this sneaker that I didn't notice until we saw this colorway is that there is like a little cage in between this sneaker in holding up the shoe. So you won't really be able to see it, but in hand you'll definitely be able to tell. That's what kind of keeps it sturdy. The only downfall of this sneaker, I would say, would be like the crinkly look, but it's not a deal breaker. So let me know what y'all think about the new 700 Mnvn joints. So these 700 Mnvn joints are absolutely fire. They did not disappoint with these. I'm always a fan of the new silhouettes since I feel like Yeezy is all about the new and innovation. So these joints are fire. Like I just mentioned, there is like a little cage that kind of keeps the shoe sturdy. But I'm not really feeling the crinkliness too much on here, but it's not a deal breaker. These are still dope. I just love this shoe, the color pops. And I feel like we never seen there's never been a Yeezy that's been this color. So these are dope. They're gonna be so fun to style. I'm just thumbs up all the way around. So let me know what y'all think about these things. So I definitely feel like these are better than the black Mnvn joints. Now remember, we can expect the phosphor colorway, which is that neon color, and then we got the bone colorway dropping as well. So I feel like the bone might be the most popular of all of the colors, but this was my favorite from day one, so I'm really happy to get this here on the channel. These are definitely going in the personal collection. I don't really have nothing to compare it to. We can take a look at the Wave Runner. Now, we all know the Wave Runner is an iconic shoe, but right now I'm feeling these more just because there's something new. I'm tired of, I haven't worn the Wave Runners in like months. So these are dope. Let me know what y'all think. Wave Runners are these. What is your favorite colorway out of the Mnvns? Will you be picking these up? They retail at $220. So not bad on the retail price, but as y'all know, since these are in-store only, I would say resale after these drop, because the colorway is dope and I feel like a lot of chicks are gonna rock these. I'm thinking around $500 for the resale price on these. So for all the resellers out there, if you're looking to get these, you will make a little money off these. But as I always say, cop for the personal. So yeah, these are fire. Definitely going right into the personal collection. Super, super happy to get these. So appreciate everybody for rocking with me to the end of the video. Stay tuned, I do have those 2 active giveaways, so I will be going live soon to announce the winners. Thank everybody for all the support. Go ahead and drop a like and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. So I'll catch y'all guys soon. My name is John Alexander. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'm out.